7 to 5, Monday through Friday. So that part makes it easier. We don't work Saturdays, we don't work nights. We're just gonna try to get it done in 5 days. You know, we're not gonna stay after 5, you know, we're gonna do our best to finish something and just try to get it done for people. I mean, I do, customer matters. I think a day in the life I think it's pretty easy. I think it's a good family place, but I'm super grateful for the guys that work here. I mean, they show up, they all have good attitudes, they're all kind, and I'm looking for that. I'll be respectful to anybody, but I expect them to be respectful to me, to my family. You have to be kind of curious. Like, how does it work? And I think to be a good mechanic, like, I'm not even really looking for guys with experience, because I've had guys that had a lot of experience and didn't work out for me. I've had guys that have gone to school and paid for it. They don't have a lot of experience either. But if you're not a little bit curious, this can be a hard job for you. He had messed around in like the garage with his grandfather, so he kind of knew about the tools. You know, I've seen guys that have graduated from school, you know, spent $30,000 going to a technical school for automotive, and they are not familiar with the tools. How do we hire somebody that's gonna know? Because that he's gonna work out, right? And I think a lot of guys that get into like automotive, especially young ones, that's what they think, like they're gonna be able to work at a race car shop. Or what I love about machinery is it's the laws of physics, and it obeys that every day. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for a respectful, kind person. I'm looking for somebody who's curious and somebody who this actual kind of work interests. I think the camaraderie is good here, but yeah, I think just looking for somebody curious and, you know, wants to try, right? Wants to try to learn something.